Excited, I got a new listing in North Lakeland. This one is 2318 Cheshire Place, Lakeland, Florida 330. Totally renovated, and it's this home has been nicely renovated, and look at the curb appeal when you first walk in. This is a multi-level home, so downstairs is a bedroom or a playroom that has access to the outside, and then upstairs, check this out, you have a dining room area opened up into the kitchen, and then you have this large living room area. The kitchen has been nicely renovated with that large island and the granite countertops. Going down the hall now, let's go see the bedrooms. You have a double closet there, and then this is the guest bathroom, nicely renovated. I love the black and white accents. This is a bathtub shower combination. Going down the hall now, we'll go to the primary bedroom, and you'll see how the bathroom has been renovated with the large shower, and then new toilet, new vanity. Again, you have the black and white accent, which I really love. This home is right down the street from the Huntington Hills shopping center, and there's so many cool shops and restaurants and ice cream shop here. Here you have a Italian restaurant, and look at that New York style pizza. It looks so delicious, all that food there. Then you have an ice cream shop conveniently located right next door. Check out all this ice cream and all the different flavors you can have. And it looks like a very friendly ice cream place to go to after dinner. Then you have a hair salon, and you have a barber shop. I mean, this shopping center is crazy. It has a pharmacy here. Let's see what else it has. I think it has Wildflower Nutrition here. I wonder what that is. It has a nail salon. I mean, what else could you want in a shopping center? And there's a brew shop. Okay, and then I just want to show you the street. This is on a cul-de-sac, so it's a dead-end street on Cheshire, so that's perfect if you have kiddos with bikes that just want to ride around on a very slow road. And then we're coming up to the curb appeal of this beautiful home, 2318 Cheshire Place. Look at it. That's it. Nice large lot. And lastly, I want to show you that this is right down the street from the Huntington Hills Golf and Country Club. So you can go there and have a burger if you want. Go do some golfing. If you're interested in this home, contact Elizabeth Willers with Sirhan.